Hey guys, Dawn Beltrami here from Walzel Properties, and I am bringing you the Showcase Home of the Week. It is located at 4203 Dixon Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,679 square foot home. It was built in 2010. They're having an open house this Saturday from 1 to 3, and they are asking $479,000 for this home. Guys, you have got to see the master suite upstairs, the entire floor for yourself, and we're gonna check out their bathroom. Let's walk this house and tell me what you think. Okay, so I just came up from this first floor where your 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom is. Coming onto the second floor, look at this open space concept. You have a living room, you have the kitchen, breakfast area, the half bath, tons of room if you're entertaining, granite countertops, 4-burner cooktop. Look at this space. You turn around here. You also have a balcony area where you can barbecue. Okay guys, coming up to the 3rd floor, here's where your laundry room is, some extra storage. You turn here and now you're in the master retreat. You have a huge bedroom, tray ceilings, and now check out this master bathroom. This is what it's all about. Large soaker tub, you have double sinks, you have the huge shower, and then check out this closet. This closet is amazing. This is a space that we all want. Island in the middle, totally enough space for everything to store in. And then once again, you have this fabulous bathroom. Okay guys, what do you think about that master and the master's bathroom? That was blow your mind or what? Love it. Love all the finishes. You gotta come check it out Saturday from 1 to 3. If you would like to see this house or any other home with a private showing, give me a call. My contact information will follow. You can find out about next week's Showcase Home of the Week by either putting in a request of where we're gonna be at or follow us on our social media. We look forward to bringing it to you next week. See you then.